Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. This video is going to be about how to use the Google Drive in Windows PC or laptop. So let's get it started. In your Windows PC, open a browser and on a search engine, type Google Drive for desktop and hit enter. Here, click on the download Google Drive link. Click on the download Drive for desktop button and specify the location where you want to store the setup file. Wait until the download is complete. It may take some time depending upon your internet speed. After the download is complete, click on the setup file or press Ctrl+J keys to go to the Chrome downloads. Now click on the Google Drive setup exe file to begin the installation. If you want to add an application shortcut to your desktop, click on the first checkbox. Otherwise, you can just leave it unticked. Also, if you want to add the desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, you should check this box. Or if you don't want the shortcuts, you can simply uncheck this box and click on the install button. The installation of the Google Drive starts now. Wait until the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, click on the Sign In with Browser button. You will be taken to the browser and on the Google Sign In page, choose your Google account and give the credentials if required. You will see a success message that you have signed into the Google Drive successfully. You can either close this Google Chrome or you can just minimize it. Now here on our desktop, we see a message from the Google Drive. Get the most out of the drive or the desktop. View and learn more about how to manage your settings and preferences in Drive for desktop. You can either click on the Open Preferences button or click on the Not Now button to skip learning more about the Google Drive. Also close this Google Drive setup window. Now if you open the Windows Explorer by double-clicking on this PC or pressing Windows+E keys, you should see an additional drive from the Google Drive. Double-clicking on the Google Drive, you will see a folder named My Drive. Double-clicking on My Drive, you will see your files here. Okay guys, this is how you can set up Google Drive on your Windows PC. That's all for this video. I hope it was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Goodbye.